My name's Daniel Sanders.
I'm Luciano Benavides.
My name is Edgar Canet.
And I ride
for Red Bull KTM factory racing team. Yeah, be part of Red Bull KTM factory racing team, it's a dream.
To go for big dreams, big goals, you have to work with people that want the same goals and you, have the same passion and work ethic than you.
Yeah, 25's been the dream year. Winning Dakar Rally to start off with, and then dominating the next races in the championship was important. Good to finally show everyone what we can do as a team and myself as a rider.
Daniel, if I need to describe him, is a typical Australian crazy guy.
Crazy rider, crazy person. He's a man on a mission and he's always searching for victory, searching for improvement. He's always trying to put the best performance on every race.
It's a dream for me, can be a teammate with him, learn a lot of things with him.
Having Edgar, the new junior, it reminds me a lot when I arrived to the team. It's like looking at me a few years ago when I just jumped on the team.
Me and Luciano, we get to have like a little kid with us a lot of the time. It's a lot of fun to have Edgar as, he's the new junior guy and
super talented and he's still so young.
He gets to learn stuff from me and then stuff from Luciano, and yeah, next year he's in the deep end in Rally GP, so he has to step up, and
he is already a top contender.
Dakar 2025 was dreams come true. I can finish my first Rally Dakar with the teammates, with Luciano, Sanders. Since I arrived, he's like one big family. Yeah, Luciano is like my brother, He's super fast, he's the faster.
Faster 77 as a teammate, Luciano. I've been with him for many years now, racing and being competitive with him, so we both vibe off each other and have a good time.
Guy, we share so many moments, crazy moments, bad moments, good moments, everything.
And I think can be part of this team, can learn from these two riders is super good for me because he's two of the best riders right now of rally ride.
In the end, we are all here for the same goal, so we call the dream team.
All the riders say Dakar is similar than Morocco, Dakar is similar than this other race, but when you arrive there you see
Dakar is the craziest, hardest race in the world.
The most difficult race in the world.
It's the toughest race, I believe, on the planet. To ride for 8,000 kilometers and 14 days of racing, it's pretty incredible.
Everything can change in 1 second. You don't know what is coming after the next zone.
It's you versus the desert. Many hours of the day and long days and not much sleep, and you're so focused on your task ahead and the road book and the riding and the terrain, because if you take your mind off this, it can change very quickly.
Dakar for me is the most important race in my life.
I've set the benchmark for 25 and everyone for 26 is sure going to be chasing me and the pressure's going to be on.
My big dream right now is win one day the Rally Dakar.
Of course, I want to say I want to go for the win.
It's time to improve, time to learn of this race because it's super important, the experience.
To arrive there, you have to do so many things before.
If you take your mind away from winning, then you shouldn't be racing.
It's a dream that needs to come true one day.
Yeah, the goal is to go for the Dakar double. Said it many times, I want to win. So at the moment, there's nothing stopping me, holding me back, and that just gives me the confidence that I'm sure no other competitor wants me to have. I know what I need to do, and I just got to keep doing it.
Now become a rally GP rider, I can fight directly to my teammates.
You know, racing against your other teammates in the same class and in the event, it is tough at times. We all help each other out when we can. We're there to get the best result for the team and for us.
And I always say they are my second family already for many years. They have my back always.
The team's atmosphere and camaraderie is the dream team.
We are always working to improve, trying and testing.
It's the dream.
It's a completely big dream for me.
A dream come true for me.
Looking the team who wins always was Red Bull KTM.
So now to be here is something that makes me super proud.
And now become one of the factory riders is emotional for me.